The most powerful M car ever made, the BMW XM Label, previously known as the XM Label Red, is not a car to take lightly, yet that hasn't stopped German tuning house Larte Design from designing a carbon fiber body kit that adds even more exclusivity to the Halo Bimmer. The BMW XM Label is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo hybrid V8 rated at 738 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. The hulking SUV can sprint from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and hit a top speed of 175 miles per hour, with the optional M driver's package, so no work was needed under the hood. But it's on the visual front where Larte figured it could fix BMW's faux pas. The XM Label's unique exterior, with 23-inch wheels and high-gloss black and Toronto red accents, gives the XM's already extreme looks an added flourish. Yet, Larte decided to take things a step further using the limited edition model wearing BMW individual frozen carbon black metallic paint, of which only 500 will be sold worldwide. The Larte Performance Body Kit is made of carbon fiber and comprises 17 parts, each crafted by hand, for the vehicle's exterior. The interior has been left alone, a smart decision given that the XM has one of the best interiors in the business. The most prominent of the exterior mods is the sculpted hood, which amplifies the strakes from the kidney grille and is finished in gloss carbon fiber with a Larte logo and a rainwater drainage system to stop water from collecting on the hood. A two-piece front splitter and carbon fiber bumper add further sportiness to the XM Label's fascia, while a carbon fiber radiator grille is also available. Along the side, Larte has added moldings, sill covers, and wheel arch extenders to create a more striking profile. At the rear, Larte has created a diffuser that fits the standard mounting points perfectly, ensuring that all sensors work properly and the automatically retractable tow hitch can still be used. Other unique touches include Larte's signature double brake lights, carbon fiber tips for the vertical hexagonal twin exhaust exits, and a pair of spoilers, one on the trunk lid and the other attached to the body kit. A set of 23-inch red-trimmed forged wheels round off the mods, although Larte can change the size and color upon request. The full carbon fiber body kit is priced at €42,000, $46,250, plus an additional €8,500, $9,350, for the custom 23-inch wheels. Larte also offers the kit in a composite material based on basalt fiber, which is around 30% cheaper than its carbon counterpart, while parts can be ordered individually.